May this message find you exactly when it is meant to find you, especially if you never have seen me before. This is a very special message. If you're somebody who does not usually receive messages like this on your feed, I invite you to stick around for a moment. Just hear me out. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If you're returning, hi, I'm glad to have you back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Melissa. I'm honored to have you in my space. So if you have come across this video, that means that there is a message from the universe, from the unseen, from your angels, your ancestors, inside of this video right now. And this is a very special message that's coming through right now. So immediately, I'm being shown that the next 2 months of your life are very, very significant. I'm being shown that you have planted seeds and prayed for things over the last couple of years, whether you were intentionally praying at an altar or you were just hoping and holding a vision for something. Confirmation, we have ravens, incoming ravens. 2 of them have just landed here. I'm feeling Nordic energy, Vikings right now, very strong. That might be significant for someone. Odin, Freya, like Hugin and Munin, the ravens right now. Anyway, I'm being shown that things that you have held a vision for are coming into fruition. In the next 2 months, you're making certain moves, taking certain actions that are bringing this specific thing, whether it's a relationship, a traveling, like moving situation, career expansion, something with your career. Confirmation, honking from the ravens, I hear them. There's something really amazing for you, that you will have opportunities and actions that you need to take over the next 2 months that are going to bring you right into the alignment. You're in the alignment, but right into the scenario. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you. That's how they want me to word it. The scenario. What it is, that vision that you've held. Okay. You're going to know if this message is for you. I feel like snow is significant for you. Geese, ravens, ducks, swans. The color green, red, browns, very significant right now. Okay, let's keep going. I don't have, I do have cards. Okay, wait, let's see what am I going to pick up? What deck are we going to pick up? It's like I'm shuffling the decks behind me. I've been traveling across the country right now. We got tarot. I've been traveling across the country right now. Whew. And I have my cards just like in the back seat right now. I just want to see, what did I say? Incoming, Knight of Wands, movement forward, and 8 of Wands. I just split it to the 8 of Wands. There's movement forward, something coming in, opportunities coming in, things coming in that you need to, Spirit is saying, you need to pay attention to. It might not seem like this choice or this action that you have to take is a big deal, but it's going to align everything, is what they're saying. It's going to align everything. Wow. Okay. Whew. If you feel called to work with me deeper, I want to let you know the Remembrance Mystery School is still enrolling right now. So if you're looking for a place to develop your spiritual gifts, to learn Reiki, to heal yourself from trauma, we specialize in healing sexual trauma, women's sexual trauma. So if you're looking for a place to grow in community and develop your gifts and have a safe space to be held as, the world is on fire right now and we're fulfilling the prophecy, come check out the Remembrance Mystery School. Enrollment is open for the next 2 weeks. So everything that I offer is linked in my description, or if you want a personal session, or if you're interested in private mentorship, everything that I offer is linked in my bio. This raven in front of me right now is like bathing in the snow that's on the roof, just like dancing and literally rolling in it and like shimmying and dancing and bathing in the snow. I'm being shown that a big part of this next expansion and phase in your life is connected to your ability to be in the present moment and play. This is where you're going to get your guidance, your downloads, your intuition to know what steps to take. So it's a Four of Wands. There's a very stable foundation that you're on and a very stable timeline, secure, comfort, community. This is the timeline that you're in right now. Comfort, more community, stability, success and victory. You're going to have a lot of options and choices and opportunities. Seven of Cups, we love to see this. Prepare to be amazed. 538, as I just looked up. 555-333-888, significant to this. Prepare to be amazed is what Spirit's saying. King of Pentacles. It was peeking out in the reverse, but I picked it up facing upright. And in the reverse, it has to do with like the material world being out of balance. And I feel like that's what you've had to deal with, is an imbalanced material world. Whether it's finances, relationships, your career, like whatever it is, it's all coming back into balance now. Your living situation, it's all coming into balance now. Very stable foundation, very stable, secure offers coming in. This is your confirmation, okay? I know it hasn't been easy. It's been rough, is what they're saying. It's been rough. But you've had to navigate the different things that you've had to deal with over the last, some of you, 10 years. I'm being shown the last 3 to 10 years. Some of the things that you've had to navigate, the wheel turning in your favor now. And it makes sense. We just entered the year of the horse. That's what I'm feeling in the momentum and the energy. It's like this takeoff energy. They're saying, so to close out this reading, they're saying to make sure to stay balanced in taking care of your nervous system and your well-being. I have the Aligned and Regulated Masterclass available for you for free if you are interested, if that will support you in regulating your nervous system and staying grounded. I also highly recommend learning Reiki. I teach Reiki if you're interested. Like I said, everything I offer is linked in my description. But they're saying right now to make sure to maintain grounded, aligned, regulated in the frequency of play, because it's shifting in your favor. Finally. God is saying it is finally shifting in your favor. That's going to be the title of this video. God is saying it's finally shifting in your favor. You've learned what you've had to learn. You're maintaining balance within yourself. As within, so without. All the mirrors, all the reflections and things that you've had to learn. And there's a very beautiful shift in your favor and in your life. I'm being shown, there's a card right now in my mind's eye from my other oracle deck. I don't have it with me. It's at the house that I'm at right now. I was just walking my dog at this gorgeous park here, and then I felt my channel, and I was like, let me just record real quick. I'm seeing the air element, the water element, but the air, this card specifically that I'm seeing, is it's a favorable wind is blowing in, like, oh, a favorable wind is coming in your favor. Like a wind is blowing in your favor that is filled with luck and blessings. And I feel like that's now. And over a year ago, I channeled a specific, if you've made it this far, oh my God, if you made it this far, you're in this energy. You are in this energy. Like you got some good things coming, really good things. Because I'm feeling a channel from a year ago that's, you are hitting a lucky streak, lucky streak, lucky streak. You are hitting a lucky streak. And that's what I feel right now, is like the wind is blowing in your favor. The light just got really bright in here. The wind is blowing in your favor. Aho. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, thank you. Whew. The Lover is coming out. So some of you, this could very much be love. This also has to do with the union within yourself and God, your union with God. And that's why everything is changing in your favor now. It might not have to just be with love, but for some of you, it definitely is love I'm picking up on. For some of you, this is definitely love. Disappointing relationships, things like that you've had, that Spirit had to move you away from. 10 of Cups. But the happily ever after is taking place now. You and this person, whether you've met them, some of you have met them. Some of you have. Use your discernment. And some of you will be meeting them soon. Very, very soon. You deserve this love. You deserve this favorable wind in your life. You deserve these auspicious blessings. You deserve this lucky streak. You are worthy of this. Yes, you are. Yes. And it is time. God says it's time. I hope that this served you well. I hope that this was confirmation for you. You know, you have all of the answers you need inside of you. If these messages come across your timeline, your feed, you know, always use your discernment, whether it's me or somebody else. There's such a whack energy when it comes to channeling messages. It's really discernment. Like, there's a lot of stuff out there that can, you know, in the astral field, like entities and energies that can manipulate it and stuff. And so discernment is so key. And you're going to feel it. You're not going to try to make it fit for you or it's not going to feed your ego. It's going to resonate in you. It's going to string a chord like harmony. I'm singing it like I'm literally singing a harp right now. And it's going to resonate in you in a way that feels soothing to your nervous system, not riling you up. It's going to make sense to you. It's going to calm you. And that's always my intentions, to always align for the highest and best for whoever it is meant to be. Truly. So if you have found yourself here, I'm honored to have you in my space, especially if you made it to the end. Not everybody makes it to the end. And if you made it to the end, drop a tree emoji in the comments. I want to see who made it to the end. Okay. If you would like to work deeper, like I mentioned, the Remembrance Mystery School is closing its doors March 7th or March 9th, the first weekend in March. So if you're looking to enroll, or if you've been looking at the Remembrance Mystery School, now is the time. Come lock in. We would love to have you there. If you're interested in one-on-one mentorship or private sessions or any of my workshops and courses, everything that I offer is linked in my description. I would be honored to serve you and hold that space. If you feel called to support my work, I have a tip jar. I made a joke. I was like, if you fear change, you can leave it here. Ha ha ha. But yeah, if you would like to tip me to support my work or whatever it is that you feel it, follow, like, subscribe to support, whatever it is, I'm grateful to have you a part of this community, and I'd love to hold space for you and work with you deeper if it's in alignment. All right. I'll see you in the next message that's aligned for you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye for now.